Yesterday was the 9th. We were up here. Okay, yesterday morning. What happened? We literally went sideways. That's why the title of this quick hit is Sideways is Good. Going sideways, right? And resetting the momentum indicator on the hourly time frame. It's not the biggest time frame, but it is a significant time frame. Means very likely, more likely than not, you're likely to continue the trend because this is consolidative. This is an intra-wave consolidation. Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is December 10th, 2022, and this is a quick Saturday hit. Okay, what is Bitcoin doing? What are we expecting? Nothing's changed, my friends. Sideways is good. Okay, that's the title of this quick hit. Sideways is good. What do I mean by that? First and foremost, look at this general schematic, this price action, right? Nothing has changed. We have our inverse head and shoulders, bullish pattern, broken up and out, right? That's confirmation of such said bullish pattern. This is the retest, right? Every single time you break support or break resistance, you want to retest it. That's exactly what happened here. This is continuation. Nothing's changed. Okay, zoom out. Really focus on what's going on. This right here is nothing out of the ordinary. It is a continuation of this trend, right? This is the trend, intrawave correction, trend. That's all that's happening. I know, in the crypto ecosphere, or ecosphere rather, everything happens so fast, right? Things happen slowly and fast, right? Consolidation, people are like getting confused, people are getting nervous, they're thinking, oh, it's consolidating to break down. Everything's possible, but is it probable? That's the question you should ask yourselves. Judging by our analysis, it's not probable. Okay, it's improbable. More probable than not is the continuation of trend, as we just showed. Okay, more specifically, right? If you zoom into this region, one could still make the argument that this is a 5-wave structure, right? An impulse, as we all know. Something like this, okay, with a concerted wave 5. So that's 5 waves up with an extended wave 3, all right? And then 3 waves down, okay? And these 3 waves down look something like this. A, B, C, something like that, okay? Do I know for sure 100%? Nothing's 100%, right? Got to remind everybody of that all the time. We're just playing the probabilities. Why is this a probable scenario? Okay, and if you add the subsequent price action here, this is a consolidation reversal. We all know that every single time you change trend, you need to do consolidation reversal, okay? You don't just, price action doesn't just go from impulsive one way to impulsive the other, okay? We all understand that. That's what Ralph Nelson Elliott calls A-B basing. If we were to measure the time it took for these purported 5 waves, it'd be 1 day, 1 hour. That's 25 hours, right? And now the time it would take for this 3-wave move down plus the consolidation reversal, that's 1 day, 9 hours. That's comparable, right? Waves of the same degree are comparable in time and in price, not equal, but comparable, right? Usually you see, if you do see equality, it's in waves 1 and 2, and that is close enough for me as an analyst, as a speculator, as a technician of the charts to say, okay, I like that 25 hours to what? What's 24 plus 9? That's 33, right? So 25 hours, 33 hours. That's comparable. What's another thing that we know needs to happen for wave 2 to be legitimate? is it needs to hit the minimal retracement level of the 382. Okay, so if these 5 waves go up like this and we come down to at least a 382, that can be a wave 2. That's been fulfilled right here. This is still very possibly a wave 1, wave 2 situation, right? And in a preparation for continuation for wave 3. Again, this is a probable read of the market, right? This is a probable read of the market given the larger context of what's going on, okay? Now, let's add in some indicators, okay? Everybody loves to use indicators. Some people depend solely on indicators. We don't do that here, but we use them nonetheless, okay? We use them corroboratively. And if you look at the stochastic RSI momentum indicator, it's showing us that ever since yesterday, okay, yesterday was the 9th, we were up here, okay, yesterday morning. What happened? We literally went sideways. That's why the title of this quick hit is Sideways is Good. Going sideways, right, and resetting the momentum indicator on the hourly time frame, it's not the biggest time frame, but it is a significant time frame, means very likely, more likely than not, you're likely to continue the trend because this is consolidative. This is an intra-wave consolidation. The price is not looking to make lower lows. If it were, it would probably have hovered up here before going down and price following it. Do you see? Because the indicator, the momentum went all the way down, whereas price stayed stable, is very bullish. That is another way to read bullish divergence, okay? One could, using stochastic RSI, using RSI, that's another way to read it. I don't know if that's hidden bullish divergence or whatever. I just know, like, as a technician, if I'm looking at the chart and the momentum is resetting down to oversold territory, whereas the price is staying stable sideways, I like that for bullish continuation. Okay, hope that makes sense. Now, that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. I am expecting another move up. Okay, and that move up should be big. Why? Because, as we said, large scheme of things, this is broken out, retested. Expect that to be the breakout, right? Because here you have this neckline right there. It's basically a continuation. It's just the other layer of this neckline that would be broken to the upside, okay? That should lead to a violent move. All right, so that's
your next, please protect, get a brace and find your place. It'll only take a sec for the damage to begin. Wreaking havoc on their drums. We cold getting dumb, getting crazy style. Late night, high division, we be moving with precision. With 10 spots popping off, making some decision about hitting them one at a time with these ill rhymes. My love at the door, free drinks.